Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send Ton from Binance to Telegram wallet. Alright, so your first step would be to open up your Binance application. Once you've opened it, head to the wallet section at the bottom right. Scroll from the overview to the spot or funding depending on where your cryptocurrencies are stored, and then click on withdraw. Once you've used withdraw, use the search at the top of the screen. If you can't find Ton on your coins list, use the search icon to search for TON, which is Ton. Click on send via crypto network once you found it, and then you're asked to provide an address, a memo, and the withdrawal amount, which you can get all of this from your Telegram wallet. So minimize, open up the Telegram, that's the Telegram application. Make sure you have an account here. The icon at the top left, which is the hamburger icon, click on this, and then simply click on wallet. So click on the wallet option. Click on the option to add crypto, click on external wallet, and click on Ton. Your Ton address is shown, so you can either scan the QR code or copy the address. So copy, minimize, open up the Binance centralized exchange, paste the address there. There's no need for a memo, so skip that. Enter the minimum withdrawal amount, which is 0.5, and then don't forget to have your network fee on standby, which is 0.02 Ton tokens, and all you need to do is click on withdraw. By doing this, your Ton would be sent over to your Telegram wallet, and all you need to do is perform a reload here and you're done. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.